Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create amazing royalty-free music using the AI Music app on Canva. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the AI Music app. First, head over to canva.com. Once you're there, go to the Apps menu. In the search bar, type AI Music and hit Enter. Now that you've found the AI Music app, you have two options. You can either use an existing design or create a new one. For this tutorial, let's create a new design. Select your design type, like a presentation, video, or social media post, and let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Customizing your music. Once your design is ready, it's time to customize your music. Choose your preferred styles and moods from the options shown on the screen. Adjust the music parameters to get the perfect sound. You can modify settings like relaxed to intense, slow to fast, loose to rhythmic, dark to bright, and stable to varied. Don't forget to set the music length. You can create music up to 300 seconds or 5 minutes long. Step 4. Composing your music. Now for the fun part. Click the Compose button. The AI Music app will generate your music and automatically add it to your design. If you don't like what you hear, no worries. You can regenerate the music, and the AI will create a different track even with the same parameters. Let's hear the result. And that's it. You've just created your own royalty-free music using Canva's AI Music app. It's that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on creating awesome content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.